Blaya pi baro kinigilong ki kubor bam dagasni. Ka HYC ringkat lang ka North Eastern Hills University Student Unions kalalit banya Kynduh ya Myntri katanat Pule Puthi ke Jylla urakam ia sangma ha office tray kam jang ha secretariat min ha ke shitarik unaitung ar hajar ar pulai. Ya kata ke jingalit Kynduh ke HYC ha ke jingalam president uba Robert Jun Kharjarin bat kanehusu ban kerpat ke sarkar Jylla ban tuklar lang ya ki bor penyat kanehu Halor ke National Education Policy namar kala penthakli ya ki samla puli bat ikik mekik parin kat lang ginong hikai Robert Jun Kharjarin Presiden ke HYC habaya keren syakilat pathai kubor ke sarkar ke dan kam sakawai ke State University ke bandan hanong ba ke Jylla ban pensuk iki samla puli bat ki college ki bala ban penyesno bat ka na ke benta bandan kabor ban pentri kam ya ke National Education Policy ke HYC ke dawa na ke sarkar ban penkongu ya Vice Chancellor ke Nehu ban pelong ya ke jingelang ke State Academic Council ba ke jing pentri kam ya ke National Education Policy betamai on sara ya keren ha ke jingelang ban wan jang ke Meghalaya Higher Education Council MEHC ka ban long la shiphotre unailar
State government kadi ban simkia but ni dawa nak state government bawatlah kan Nehu kamdei ka benta jam state government andai kani kadi ka por ka bahab ban muslia la ne habban yarap na oblei kumba kalong mata ka bama kalong ba kadon ga jinga pher jumur ka bajur abading kan Nehu authority bat kinong kai bat lada ya kani ka kam ngemlam tumbe ka ban suffer kadi ki student bat ki parent kumta ni la ajumut bat ni khimit inti ba sarkar makhlia kan pediang ya ki jing dawa bagi jing ajumut ong ngi ba un sakhot ya katu ka higher and technical council meeting ya ka ba ki head of institution kin don la ti lada ki ya keren ya kan kam ha kata ka council ni lesi kila ban yikta ki jing penon kam kila ban keren but ka state government kala ban step in report lesi banerap khamtam financially academic consultation ha ki hamle ba kani re financially kata de gawai kabaar ka ba nakaliang jong kabaar nakaliang jong minister uong ba unsa ye keren but ka bor jong kani ha ka bedi but kani kam na oblei kumba ngilalik bane Kynduh UVC mene ula kular yangi ba unsa khot ka wi meeting kabandon lang ki teachers organization ki Kynduh kabandon lang ki representative yang state government ban kisem halang ru ban keren ya kan kam tingi su ban ong balada ki wan kini ki meeting lada kadon kum kini ki ngila ban nakaliang jong iru ngila da ong ba udi ban ong ya kan Kynduh le kum ban perlong ka tu ka emergency academic council meeting Nobeli ketua academic council kadi ka bor ka ban rai ya ki policy decision ha ka pedai bar ka jing pentri kam tila da academic council kam pat agree banaya chakmat ya jing pentri kam ya ken NEP hatu tang ka executive council jo gani hu kala mo ban sim ya kata karai nobeli ka involve ya ka policy decision ti halor kani ula da pongi bo unsa le ha ka bor ha ka level ka jong u but ni khimil nanti ba sarkar Jylla kan simkhia ya kan kanang ba kini ki jing ngila
we have listened to them. They also concerned about the non-cooperation movements called by MCTA. They are not against the NEP, nor they are because their whole objective is they are concerned about the future of our state, future of our students. We have discussed the challenges and all this, and then we have on the same page. They are also concerned for the students of our state. So, but I would be happy if the MCTA could kindly convene the meeting with the head of institutions and listen to them. The challenges would have been good, and I would request them, whatever decision of any angles, should decide taking the future of our students on priority.